all. Algebra and number theory is a new subject in the computer science engineering department in the 2017 regulations. In the first topic is group. So group means, for example, the number of students in a class and number of tables in the class, etc., or the number of the set of natural numbers and set of real numbers, etc. These are the groups of set of numbers and anywhere. In mathematically we define the group. We take the one operator. For example, the plus is operator and star is operator and dot is operator. So operator means moving these two numbers, or dot or plus. So in mathematically we define G is a group if star is closed under the operator star. Suppose we take the one operator, this is star, we say A comma B belongs to G implies A star B belongs to G. And second condition is star is associative. So associate means we take the any three elements in that group, so associate to each other, that is A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. And third condition is, suppose we take the one elements in G, so we take the one element, for example, one is a group, suppose for example the set of natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. We take the one element, that is 2. So identity means 2 plus dash equal to 2. So this 2 plus dash. So here 2 plus 0 equal to 2 plus 0 equal to 2. So 2 ko kuda 0 kodanga 2 or, but this 0, these three elements are in n. In this case, so this 0 is not in n. So set of natural numbers la 0 kadayadu. So this n is n plus is not a group, or n plus is not satisfies the identity conditions. So the first one is star is closed, and second one is star is associative, and third one is identity. So there is no identity elements in that set of natural numbers. So this n plus is not a group. And fourth condition is, suppose we take the one element, that is your inverse element, say A dash, that is A dash. So this A plus minus 1, suppose the identity is there. Suppose for example Z is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We take the one element, that is 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 plus dash is equal to 0. So identity element is 0. So 1 plus dash is equal to 0. So this is the inverse. The inverse of 1 is minus 1. This minus 1 is in set of natural numbers. So the plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, etc. So this Z plus is a group. Okay. But n plus is not a group. The reason is the 0 is not in set of natural numbers. Okay. This is the definition of the group. For example, here Z plus is a group and n plus is not a group, and set of rational numbers Q plus is a group. This is a group, and Z dot is a group, etc. For example, so G is equal to A plus B root 2 such that A comma B belongs to Z is a group under plus. Here in this problem the operator is plus. Here what about this A and B? This A and B are in Z. Z means set of natural numbers. So we satisfy the four properties. First is star is closed. Here the operator is plus. The plus is closed. We check the plus is closed or not. We take the any two elements in G. So closure properties, we take the any two elements in that group. This suppose star is operator. So A star B is in that G. Here plus is operator. So we take the any two elements in that plus. So A plus B is equal to, so A comma B belongs to G such that, so A belongs to G. So G is a group, that is we define G. G is a group, that is G is equal to A plus B root 2, A plus B root 2 format, such that A and B are belongs to a set of integers. So we take the any two elements in that G such that A is equal to A plus B root 2 and B is equal to we take another element A1 plus B1 root 2, or we write 1 plus 2 root 2 or 3 plus 4 root 2. These are the elements in that G. There is a format, that is G is a form a plus b root 2 such that a comma b belongs to set of integers. So we take the any two elements in that G such that that is a format, that is a equal to a plus b root 2 and b is equal to a1 plus b1 root 2 plus is operator, that a plus b is equal to plus is operator, that is adding these two elements, this a is a integer, b is a integer, a1 is a integer, b1 is a. Suppose we take the any two elements in Z, sum is, suppose for example 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. The 1 is in Z, 4 is in Z, that 4 is also in Z. So a plus b is adding those two elements, two numbers, so a plus b root 2, so a plus b is in Z, b plus b dash is in Z. So these are belongs to set of group, sorry, is in G. So G plus, so the G plus is closed. So G plus is closed. Now satisfies the second property, star plus is associative. So associative means we take the any three elements in that G. So for example, so a comma b belongs to G such that a is the format of this ABC is a plus b root 2, a1 plus b1 root 2 and c equal to c1 plus c double dash plus b double dash root 2. So we take the any three elements in that G such that, so operator, the plus is operator, a plus, so adding this b plus c, the format is again this one, so LHS is equal to RHS, so plus is associative. For example, suppose we take the three elements in the G, that is 1 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 4 root 2 and 6 plus 4 root 2. So adding these three elements is plus is operator. So associative means, suppose we take the adding the three elements in three elements is equivalent to again the three elements. So the plus is associative. Then identity. We take the one element, let a plus b root 2 belongs to G such that, that is a plus b root 2 plus dash is equal to a plus b root 2. So a plus b root 2 is belongs to G and 0 is also belongs to G. So this is 0. So 0 is belongs to, so 0 is belongs to G. For example, 0 can be written as 0 plus 0 root 2. So 0 is belongs to Z. 0 is belongs to Z. So 0 is in Z. So Z, the 0 in lies in Z of integers. So 0 is belongs to G. Therefore 0 is the identity element. So the identity property is exists. Therefore identity property exists. Now we check the inverse property. We take the one element. So that is a plus b root 2 plus minus a plus minus b root 2 is equal to, that is a star a inverse is equal to identity. So identity is 0. So this b a plus b root 2 plus minus a minus b root 2 is equal to 0. So the inverse of the a plus b, the inverse of a is minus a. So inverse of a plus b root 2 is minus a minus b root 2. So adding these two values, plus is operator. So adding these two values, the value is equal to 0. Therefore the inverse property is exists. So it satisfies, first is plus is closure property, then plus is associative, then identity element is exists. So identity element is 0. 0 is lies in G. So 0 lies in G. So the identity property is exists and this inverse property is exists. Therefore its conclusion is, therefore G comma plus is a group under plus. Okay, that's all. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம குரூப்போட டெஃபினிஷனையும் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளையும் பார்த்துருக்கோம். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம இன்னும் ப்ரீஃபாக கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.